Did you know that video can dramatically increase conversion rates on your website? It's true, it's far more engaging than just simple text or images. Every business should be utilizing video in their marketing and on their websites. But what kind of video? It can vary dramatically depending on the business and the budget. One of the most popular video types are explainer videos because you can create extremely effective videos that can connect with wider audiences without blowing the budget. Producing explainer videos is our specialty. We can create many different types of explainer videos for virtually all business types. We work directly with you to capture the message that you want to portray and make sure it comes through in a way that makes a lasting impact on your specific audience. Our turnaround time is fast and the quality of our work is top-notch. Contact us today for a free estimate on your next explainer video.